Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter eggs. First, gather all your ingredients and tools, ensuring everything is ready to go. We'll start by creating the delicious peanut butter filling, then carefully shape it into perfect little eggs. Finally, we'll give them a beautiful chocolate coating. This guide will help you create delightful treats that everyone will love. To begin, you'll need creamy peanut butter, powdered sugar, and softened butter. Mix these together in a large bowl until a smooth, firm dough forms. This is the heart of your peanut butter eggs, so ensure it's well combined and has a consistent texture. If it's too sticky, add a little more powdered sugar until it's just right for shaping. This step is crucial for delicious results. Now it's time to shape your peanut butter mixture. Take small portions and roll them between your palms to create an egg shape, aiming for pieces about 1.5 inches long. Place these carefully onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Once all your eggs are shaped, pop the tray into the refrigerator. Chilling them for at least 30 minutes helps them firm up for the next step. For the final touch, melt your favorite chocolate with a tiny bit of shortening for a smooth consistency. Carefully dip each chilled peanut butter egg into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully coated. Let any excess chocolate drip off before returning them to the parchment-lined tray. Chill them once more until the chocolate is completely set, then enjoy your homemade peanut butter eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.